Today, we have an informative video for you on a topic that many of us can relate to: managing our calorie intake while still enjoying the occasional cheat meal. In this video, we'll share 3 delicious and nutritious meal ideas that can help you save calories for that special treat. So, let's dive right in. Please, comment, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Understanding caloric intake. Before we get into the meal ideas, let's quickly understand the concept of caloric intake. The number of calories we consume on a daily basis directly affects our weight and overall health. However, it's essential to strike a balance between healthy eating and occasional indulgences. By making smart food choices and saving calories during regular meals, we can create room for a well-deserved cheat meal. According to a study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, planning ahead and making strategic meal choices can help maintain a healthy weight while still enjoying occasional high-calorie foods. Healthy meal idea number 1: salad with protein. Our first healthy meal idea centers around a delicious salad that's packed with nutrients and a good amount of protein. Begin with a generous portion of leafy greens like spinach or kale as your base. According to the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, highlighted the benefits of leafy greens in reducing the risk of chronic diseases due to their high antioxidant content. Next, add a lean protein source like grilled chicken breast, tofu, or legumes. These proteins will keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, while also supporting muscle growth and repair. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, incorporating lean proteins into your diet can help regulate appetite and contribute to weight management. To enhance the flavor and nutritional value of your salad, include colorful vegetables such as cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, and carrots. Lastly, top it off with a light dressing made from olive oil and lemon juice. Healthy meal idea number 2: veggie stir fry. Our second meal idea focuses on a flavorful and filling veggie stir fry. Begin by choosing a variety of colorful vegetables, such as broccoli, mushrooms, bell peppers, and zucchini. These veggies are low in calorie and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. A review published in the Journal of Nutritional Science indicated that a high-fiber diet can help prevent constipation, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve overall gut health. Sauté the vegetables in a small amount of olive oil and season with herbs and spices for added taste. For an extra protein boost, you can add tofu, tempeh, or lean cuts of meat. Serve your veggie stir fry over a portion of brown rice or quinoa for sustained energy. Healthy meal idea number 3: zucchini noodles with marinara sauce. Our third meal idea revolves around a low-calorie alternative to traditional pasta. Zucchini noodles, also known as zoodles, are an excellent substitution that allows you to enjoy a satisfying pasta-like experience while significantly reducing calorie intake. According to the journal Nutrients, it was found that consuming spiralized vegetables like zucchini can increase vegetable intake and contribute to weight loss due to their low calorie and high nutrient content. To make zucchini noodles, simply use a spiralizer or julienne peeler to create thin, noodle-like strips from fresh zucchini. Then, lightly sauté them in a non-stick pan with a small amount of olive oil until tender. Next, top your zucchini noodles with a flavorful marinara sauce. Look for a sauce that is low in added sugars and sodium. You can also add some lean protein, such as grilled chicken or turkey meatballs, for an extra boost of satiating power. Let's quickly recap our 3 healthy meal ideas to save calories for that well-deserved cheat meal: salad with protein. Start with leafy greens, add a lean protein sauce and colorful vegetables. Finish with a light dressing. Veggie stir fry. Choose a variety of colorful vegetables, sauté them in olive oil, and season with herbs and spices. Serve over brown rice or quinoa. Zucchini noodles with marinara sauce. Spiralize fresh zucchini, sauté in olive oil, and top with a low-sugar marinara sauce. Add lean protein if desired. By incorporating these meal ideas into your weekly routine, you can create a calorie deficit that allows for occasional indulgences without compromising your health goals. Remember, it's important to approach cheat meals in moderation and maintain a balanced diet overall. Don't let one cheat meal turns into a cheat day or week, as that can derail your progress. According to a study published in the Journal of Obesity, practicing moderation and avoiding excessive cheat meals can help prevent weight regain and maintain long-term weight management. We hope you found these meal ideas helpful and informative. As always, consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have specific health conditions or dietary restrictions. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to this channel.